Here goes the ram. We'll be coming in a minute. Whoa, beauty. Oh my gosh, that's white brown. Look at his horns. Whoa, whoa. I think he weighs about 250. Whoa. I think the little kids that we see, they're a product of him. He's coming, he's charging. Whoa, look at him sideways. Whoa. That's a beauty. I think he's crying for his mom, but only mom will answer. This buck, whoa, look at that ram. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Flies are there, so he's fanning the flies. But whoa, way to go. Whoa. You know what? If I was 3, I'd ride him. Oh my God, I wonder how far he could take me. Those horns, I could just hold on and just be. Oh my God. Look up, look way up on that tree. Those are all garlings. Look at them. Like white tissue paper on top of the tree. Those are all garlings. Wow. What a specific. Wow, what a shot. Here goes this ram. Whoa. Whoa. Way to go, ram. Oh, this one you wouldn't eat, he's too old. That meat would be hard, toughy. Oh my God. Here goes the baby, I tell you. They're products of him. Look, he's the father. Whoa, and there goes the garlings. They just settle in. There's no cows here, but guess what? There are fishes here. And guess what? They protect every yeah. Was under the coconut tree. I was under the coconut tree. Me Uncle Benji. See me under the coconut tree. One papa hit me in the head. One papa hit me in the head. But I was under the coconut tree. Didn't fall asleep because, as I said, one papa. But here they are. They're still grazing. Whoa. I'm going to try and see if I can zero in on this beautiful specimen, I used to say, of a garling.